So, hello everyone. I am Macronel Digorso, and I will now presenting the Pcshop's RKR00 web host app.com. So, developed by Macronel Digorso and Rafael Vario. These Pcshops customer can buy different parts of computer, such as keyboard, mouse, motherboard, processor, etc. I will now present my screen to view the entire website. If you see my screen, I will go to the PC Shops RKR.00 webhost app.com, and this website is only accessible by the admin. The admin or the administrator will only accessible to access this website. So admin will input username and the password. So no one can access this website so that it can only accessible by the admin. So in this dashboard of the admin can click category. This category will can add a, for example, they will view the motherboard, mouse, monitor, keyboard, processor, RAM, PC case, and PS, peripheral, printer, and cable. And example, I will add hmm, peripherals too. And I will click save. Then I will back to category. Then if you can see, the peripherals too will add to the category. If I will click the peripherals, I can edit and I will delete the peripherals too. Okay, record has been saved and we will now redirect to the category dashboard. After the admin will add a category, admin will go back to the user home and they will add a product. This product dashboard can view the product code, product description, product price, and group. This group is the category. If you can see, there have a motherboard, mouse, monitor, processor, and RAM. So, and cause admin can click next to next. They will can see keyboard, mouse, and RAM. Admin can click add to add a new product. For example, our product name is product code is Asus. Asus. And the description is Asus TUF V3 TUF monitor, and the product price I will input is 15,000. Then I will drop into my monitor. Then I will click save. So the product has been saved or the product has been added. If you can search the monitor, search, so they can find the Asus TUF monitor and its price. Also, they group by monitor. And if I can search mouse, I can search specific group by mouse only. So, admin will click this one product. They can delete the product. They can also edit the product. For example, I will edit this BenQ monitor to BenQ monitor to what kind of monitor? Sharp monitor. Then I will click save. Then I will go back to product. Then I will use Sharp. Then I will click search. They will find a product name of Sharp according to the monitor. So after the admin will add a product, we'll go back again to the user home. Then they will click to customer. So this customer can view the list of customer. For example, this name, this is the full name of the customer who order in this product in these fish shops. They will view also the phone number of the customer, full address, and email address of the customer. So if I will click add, I will click add some customer, for example, and I will input customer number. Then I will input full address for the customer. I'll click his email. For example, his email is, then I will click save. So if you can see, full name as duplicate and email as duplicate. So if I will go back to the customer, okay, the customer name is existing and the customer email is existing. So I will click add again. So I'll click a different name. Example, I will click uh, Ryan. Because then I will click phone number, full screen. I will input his full address. Then I will click his full email address. So I will click save. Record has been now saved. Admin will click customer. And if you can see at the bottom, the new customer has been now added. Daniel De Los Santos, his phone number, his full address, and his email address. After the admin creating a new customer or adding a new customer, they will go back to user home. Then they will click transactions. Then they will click invoice. In the invoice, they will see all the customer who buy from this website. If you can see at the top, it it has all sales. It means they will display all sales in this company or in this website. For example, uh, there are 2, 4, 5. There are 5 customers, and our total sales is 112,038 pesos. They will can view also the date of the customer who order, the email address for the customer, and the total amount for the customer. I will back to the website, and admin will click add. So for example, admin will order or customer will order in June 1, 2021. Then admin will choose a specific customer. For example, I will click Ronald De Los Santos for the customer name. It will display Ronald De at the customer. And the customer will choose a product that he want to buy. Example, the product is Asus ROG Extreme. If you can see, they can view the subtotal price, the discount of the product, and the total price of the product. I will click add more products for that customer, and I will adjust the quantity. Then they will display also the subtotal and the discount. They will adjust the discount automatically. So admin will click save to save all the customer order, and they will back to the invoice. Then the customer has been now recorded. So if you can back to all sales, so a new customer in all sales has been now added. Ang goal to go support gmail.com and the total amount is 52,011 pesos, and they will adjust the total sales of the company at 164,049 pesos. So after ordering, the admin, they will also log out. Then they will input the admin username and password, the developer. Then the the admin will click to user home, and they will click to email customer. Sorry, it take too long. While waiting for this, admin will click transaction, then they will click invoice again. So admin will choose a specific customer, for example, Tringel de los Santos. Then I will click print to print the record of that customer, or to print, and I will go back to I will click this report. So if you can see, in the PDF form, they can list a name. You can display the customer name, customer email, customer address, and the grand total of the customer. They can also display the description of the uh, customer orders, like Asus ROG Maximus 12 Extreme, the quantity of 1, the Logitech MX Master 3 wireless mouse, the quantity of 2, and the total amount. After that, I will click X. Then this website is built by Node.js Mailer. So they will add a customer name for the specific customer, which is Rangel de los Santos. I will input his email address, and I will go back to invoice, user home, customer, and customer again. His email address is ringeldegosupport@gmail.com. So they will input the customer phone number, which is here. I will copy. Then I will add attachment. I will click this report. Then I will leave a message for that customer. For example, then I will click submit. So after a few seconds, this Pcshop's mailer will automatically notify by the customer through his email. I will click now X, customer again. In this admin or the developer view, they can also find all customer in invoice. Then click print. They can view the customer name and the customer subtotal. I will click now home, and I can now click log out. Change image will not be saved, so I cannot click leave. So that's the PC Shops RKR00 webhost app.com. developed by Macroingal de Gozo and Rafi R. Olivario. Thank you.